Check it out. Yep, it's a motorcycle. Nice one. Check it out. It's a big one, old hammerhead. It's a piece of motorcycle suspension. There is bike down there. Boom. And it's pretty new. All right. Boom. Check it out. It's almost brand new. Nice find. Yep, still works. Oh, it's a handle from the door. Check it out. It's like wooden box. Whoa. All right. It's car tire rim. Oh yeah. Nice one. It's full metal plate. Really heavy. What is this? Oh, huge lock. It's been down there for a while. And we have a piece of motorcycle. I think it's from here. Check it out. What is this? Ah, it's old phone. Check it out. Okay, pretty cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? It's heavy. It's something electric. Oh, I don't know. Oh, and money. Money, money, money. It's one heavy pipe. Boom. It's like really old bike lock, I think. Check it out. Nice plate. Old like shovel handle or some tool handle. And chair wheel. Oh, and money. Money, money, money. I think it's some electric thing in here. What is this? Let me know. Okay, what is it? It's like under the sand, really deep. Oh yeah, it's a piece of motorcycle. I thought there is something bigger down there, but nice one. So much energy for this thing. Check it out. Bike lock. Dunlop. Oh yeah.